When we moved into this house, I temporarily stored things in these cabinets behind the closed doors and drawers, keeping them out of sight, out of mind. Hoping to start 2019 with a more organized home, I joined thriftdiving.com's junk-free January challenge to declutter, organize, and transform one neglected space in my home. I removed everything from the built-in in this room, grouping items into categories for further organizing. For now, my goal was to empty out the built-in and clear some area in the middle of the room for more workspace. I look forward to sharing my efforts in making this place a more functional, well-used room for my family. Until next time.